First in our Ikea building contest, we are going to meet our contestants. Our first team with our instruction giver, Sienna, and our builder, Doug. Let's go, let's go. Do you guys have a team name?
#win.
#win. Wow, I love it. Very influential. And our second team, we have our instruction giver, Dina, and our builder, Chris. Do you guys have a team name?
I'm a minion. We're Team 42.
Let's argue about that for
Okay, they have a very interesting team tactic. We have our theme going on to drive our competitors forward. And now, players,
Touch the box until Mom has the instructions.
you cannot touch the box. 5 points off your team. Yes, you cannot touch the box until our instruction givers have opened the box and got our instructions. And the timer will start now. There we go. Very interesting strategy. She's going for the tape. She is not. I believe he's trying to sabotage, but, and the instructions are open! Our builder has started! Their frame is now up, and they're getting in their first section of the piece. Thank you for helping. Your service is much appreciated. Team 42 is just slightly behind, but they still have time to catch up to Team #win. Thank you for your help, sir. Are we having any issues over here? Oh, let's explain what's going on.
Well, the pegs, I think, going this way, not this way. But now they're jammed in.
Oh, I see.
And I don't know how you get the pegs
That's quite
out.
the struggle.
This problem.
Well, I believe in you. You will figure it out.
You know how we put the
Best of luck.
little box in?
Oh,
Yeah, so this side first.
they're going through. Congratulations.
Yep. 4 brown ones.
Team #win and Team 42 are neck and neck. Actually,
Okay.
Team 42 is slightly in the lead. How do you feel about that Team #? Oh, you got it up. I like your strategy. Let's see, instructioneer, how are you feeling?
Okay.
Okay?
Great. We're just going a little slower than them. There you go, babe.
I see quality over speed. Quality over speed. Yes. Yes.
Closer to us right here, babe.
Ours broke. Look how our pegs broke.
What if it broke?
One of your pegs broke. Let's see.
Okay, what's next?
Keep one. It's that one right there.
Okay.
Ah,
This one? Right by Avery. Yep.
okay, they're going even though one of their pegs is broken. Oh no, some technical difficulties over here.
The mallet came apart.
Having a few issues, but it's
Put it back
okay.
together. It's okay.
We have a broken peg. We have a broken peg. How are you guys going to deal with this strategy?
We're gonna go around it.
You're gonna go around it?
Okay, next.
That peg won't come out now.
This is quite terrifying. They have that broken peg. Let's get a close up on that broken peg.
We're going to do a lot of wood pegging in this.
Yes, right there.
You're going to take the wood pegs and you're going to put it in this.
But the rest seems to. Oh no! Everything is breaking over here. Thank you, Auntie. Our handyman will help. We are now 15 minutes into the competition. You have both made such amazing progress. How are you feeling?
Terrible that I broke my peg.
Okay. Struggle with Team 42, Team #win. How are you feeling today?
We're doing good. We're doing good.
No.
Good.
Can we get the arrow?
Okay. There we go.
It's like off. Like, come look at it.
There we go. Some problem solving.
I don't know what we're doing about this.
We have some issues over here. Everything else seems to be going in
like
fine.
A millimeter off on
Towards
those
me?
top ones. No, it's like pull this way. I wish I could touch it. Come look, come look.
Here's the problem.
Just manhandle it. You got
They'll handle it.
Oh, yeah, there.
Critique,
I think theirs is not right. It's got
you don't
no
think it's right?
pegs, and
No
it's
pegs?
tilted.
I see. Some interesting critiques there.
Straight on.
Yes, I see. We're on to those screws
Tilt it up like they're doing? Yes.
Yes.
with our handy dandy IKEA tools.
Keep it even,
Actually,
babe.
we need to hammer it a little. Like there's some spikes over there. Or there's a screws. We don't have enough screws? And we
That's a
skipped
bit
the
worrying
spot-
now,
we
isn't
skipped
it?
the part about-
Yeah.
Woohoo, baby,
Some
look at you go.
intense
Fast,
turning. There we go.
fast. Human
Time.
error.
Time. They are done at 23 minutes and 30 seconds. How are you guys feeling?
Feeling really good.
Okay.
Looks good.
Okay, let's get some close-ups on the final product while they are still continuing. The game isn't over yet. You gotta finish yours first. Let's take a look at their final product. Very sleek, very IKEA. 25 minutes and 5 seconds.
Game first or last?
Now let's take a look at their quality. It is still IKEA furniture. I deem your two cabinets equal in quality and a bit less equal in time completed. So, Sienna and Doug, team hashtag win. You guys won by just under 2 minutes.
We are the champions.